Hi there. For today's Ninja Art Tip, I just want to talk to you about how to avoid overwhelm. If you're having trouble getting started by picking up a pencil, picking up a brush and getting started with painting, sometimes you need to shrink the size of the job. So there's a thing that I do if I ever get stuck with painting, if I'm on a really big commission and I'm feeling a bit unconfident, or I have a moment of a doubt or a day of doubt, and I just want to somehow get my confidence back again, what I do often is switch to twinchies. So twinchies is my name for a 2-inch square. So it's really cool if you just shrink the size of the task down to something tiny and easily achievable, and just getting that finishing energy of doing something small, finishing it, signing it, feeling really good about it, just can build up your confidence for you to just launch ahead with the next job that you've got to do, or the next painting that you want to do if you're doing it for fun. So I sometimes switch to twinchies, little 2-inch squares of paintings. If I'm in a bit of a rut with painting, I'll start doing some little tiny paintings. But doing twinchies in your journal is a great way to boost your confidence with your drawing by drawing little 2-inch squares. So that's what we've been talking about with this daily drawing challenge, is to just draw little tiny 2-inch squares in your journal and just aim at doing one of those simple little drawings in a little tiny 2-inch square each day, and it's not so daunting and it takes away all the overwhelm. So I really recommend that. If you're feeling overwhelmed at looking at a huge blank canvas, put it aside and pick up a little tiny canvas and have some fun playing around on that. Sign it, finish it, and feel how good it feels to get that finishing energy, and then you can keep going afterwards. So that's the tip of the day: to remove the daunting overwhelm, switch to something smaller, simpler, easier to do, and get some good energy from that. So if you'd like some more tips, don't forget to go and visit the dojo at zenartart.com. And please like, share, comment, subscribe on the YouTube channel, and get some more video tips and tutorials from us there. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.